then well and good. I won't be needing any bike. I'm in a tight budget right now, so basically I cannot buy myself, and I'm not preparing to take a EMI on this. So I have covered like places. I was talking about my first trip. It was from Sonabada, Koraput of Odisha to Bangalore, and with a bit of research and a bit of knowledge gained from the mechanics, from the people I have met, the riders I have met before I bought my bike, post I bought my bike. And with that bit of knowledge and some bit of guts, I planned along with Abhijit Prabhakaran, by the way. He is my school junior. Now I don't call him junior anymore. Like, he's a friend to me, a bro to me. And he actually the plan started with like post school. I was not in contact with him. But then one day when I was doing my payments and all for my bike in the showroom, I saw the list of vehicles that has been ordered. Somehow that paper was on the table, and I was just going through who all have bought Himalayan and all. So mine was like second Himalayan in Koraput, and the one it would have been first one in Koraput, but my delivery date was planned a bit later on, and another guy just came and bought the first bike of the showroom by giving direct cash and all. So he took it. And no issues, not a big deal. And while I was looking at that list, after a bit of like 20 people for other vehicles like Classics, Thunderbirds, not the Thunderbird, Classic and the Bullet Standard, all those, I saw this Himalayan Comet White. I was like, oh nice, one more Himalayan in Koraput. So I then just scrolled down a bit, then saw the name Abhijit Prabhakaran. Hey, Abhijit Prabhakaran, who is there? Like, might be my school junior, might be someone else. But then I was silent like that, and I just saw this thing and told the salesman that I think this person, I know this person, and if he's the one, well and good. Like that I said, just informed it like that way. And then post my payments and all, one day like he had some confusion. So the salesman asked him to talk to me. Like, there is someone named Jivesh who said he knows you, and he has already done the payments and all. His bike will be delivered soon. And this was the scene. So he reached out to me on Instagram. I thought of reaching out to him prior to that, but somehow I forgot and didn't. I couldn't basically. So when he reached me out, like I was like, oh, same bike, congratulations, this and that. And back in the school, we had some kind of beef, it seems, which I totally forgot about. But later, like after months of meeting and all, he said, oh, like that you were having beef because some things were going on back then. Okay. So all that's done and dusted. Like, stories are stories in parts. That's it. And one fine day, like when we were talking, he had some issues with his bike delivery and all. And one day I said, like, my ride got delivered. If you want to drive, drive it. And he said, no, no, brother. I will only touch the Himalayan only after I get my own bike delivered. So he did not. And I said, okay, no issues. Then after a few days, after many issues, this and that, what sort of bad trip kind of thing they have given to Abhijit. Post that he got it by bike delivered. Then we were just roaming around here and there in nearby our hometown, and then basically there was a process like he was thinking in his mind that he will ship his bike to Bangalore via the train. And I was like, oh, train, you can do it, no issues like that. When we did some research, then we got to find out that railway bike transport is like risky. And this, like all sizes of bike goes through it. But thing is, most of it gets damaged, and it's 200 kilos bike. And this has like this front part is like too much exposed kind of thing. So the indicators are exposed. Tail, this thing, mudguard is exposed, so it may break on this transport time. So like when I shared this thing with Apu, like he was also like afraid that if something would happen, and then he thought he will search for some other delivery organization, like companies and all. But then it was very skeptical about it. And post that he somehow was doing some research, but he was not getting any solution and all. And randomly, just one day, I thought, let's like I said him, bike dharigi Bangalore chalegi, and he was like, I am also thinking the same, but I'm not having that guts to try that even. Like, because there are certain things like every person has a different level of confidence and knowledge regarding everything. And in biking, obviously, you teach each other, you grow each other, you teach each other, and you share your experiences with each other, and that's how you exchange knowledge and you gain like proper right thing. You get to know it right over the time. It's a total learning process. So like that, some days we decided, we were like, well, shall we go, shall we not? But meanwhile, I had my all this like out of own interest watching to Omega Nikki back in 2016, and when I started watching him, I was like, maybe one fine day I will be doing such long rides and all. So this point was like a win-win situation. Like he will be able to deliver his bike, and I will have a long ride, and so like for the return trip I will be coming back solo. And I was a bit afraid of traveling solo for around 1200 kilometers, but then I said, जो होगा देखा जाएगा. I didn't drink any sort of Mountain Dew डर के आगे जीते, but I had my confidence. So with proper gears, proper toolkits, proper knowledge, basic knowledge regarding the tire changing and all. If something happens, how to how to do stuff. And I have a contact in Royal Enfield showroom, and I inform him, like whenever I go in long trips, I inform him that if any sort of issues happen, I will call you, please pick it up, and maybe we can try to solve on the road even. Or else I will do RSA if anything happens. So he said, okay, no issues, I will be there. Like whenever I go, I inform him, and he always picks up my call. And then with that extra point of confidence from that mechanic, I was like, we can do it, bro. And one fine day we decided that we will plan. Then we started planning the route, how we will go. Like we will be taking like Malkangiri to Hyderabad, and then from Hyderabad to Bangalore one day. Like it would be a 2-day trip. We'll be covering around